My dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, today is World's Children's Day, and let me quote some people what they said. Somebody said, I'll tell you the name of the person who said this: every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once he grows up. This is told by nobody other than the famous painter Pablo Picasso. Also, somebody said, we nurture our creativity when we release our inner child. Let it run and roam free. It will take you on a brighter journey. Serena Hartwell. At this point of time, from St. Francis de Sales College, Nagpur, India, Maharashtra, I welcome you all to this quiz contest. Lord Jesus said once, truly I say to you, whoever does not receive the kingdom of God like a child shall not enter it. Matthew chapter 19, verse 14. Also, there was an incident when children were trying to reach Lord Jesus, and on the way they were stopped by his disciples, fearing that they might go and touch the master. But then Lord Jesus said, let the little children come to me, and do not hinder them, for to such belongs the kingdom of heaven. My dear friends, I welcome you as a child. I welcome the child in you. And since you have got selected via the online quiz, and you are the people who have more gray cells than the others, because you have released your childhood curiosity and you have tried to know things. A quiz contest is a contest of brain cells. Since you have come across and you have come to such a stage that you're going to participate here, so let me tell you that we are celebrating World's Children's Day today, 20th of November 2020, and we have hosted two kinds of quiz. One is online quiz, which is free for all and which can be accessed through Google Forms. The link will be is already sent. And also we are having the quiz via Google Meet, where you people who have qualified out of so many participants, almost 50, you have qualified and you have come to this juncture to participate in this quiz, the second type, with via the Google Meet. And the event in charge, Dr. Mahesh Sharma from the Electronics Department, I request him to please go ahead with the program, and I wish all of you all the best. Exercise your brains well and come up as a winner. All the best to you. Over to Mahesh Sharma, sir.
Thank you, Mrityunjay Karmakar,
My pleasure.
for this welcome speech. We can straight away start the quiz. But before that, I will request all of you to just switch on your camera so that we can see all of you. And because it is a quiz, so we must be able to see that you are in front of the camera rather than somewhere else. I request all of you to switch on the camera. This will be yes, because this will be also put on the college website, so you should be visible to all of us.
Other participants are requested to please switch on their cameras.
Shubham Gaur, Swash.
Yes, welcome.
Yes,
Welcome.
Shubham Gaur, what is problem? Shubham Gaur ne kiya.
Welcome.
yes, okay.
Shubham Gaur.
Shubham Gaur, Adiba Qureshi, Suyash, and keep it on. Okay, you can keep your mic off, but at least your camera must be on. Right. We want you to remain in this visible, so that we know that you are not looking at, because this is just a quiz and you can go through the internet and just watch this. Okay, watch the answer somewhere in the Google. Okay, so all of you, Raya Maurya, Alfia Khan, Colonel Paul, you just switched off on the mic. सभी लोग अदीबा, जूही,
Yes, all of you, please switch on your cameras. We want to see your sweet face. Come on. Yes. Jayesh. Wow.
yes.
And please don't switch off your cameras. Adiba Jamal Qureshi, please switch on your camera. Colonel Paul. Yes.
Yeah.
And keep it on till the event is there in progress. Please do not switch off your cameras. Keep it on till the event is in progress. You can switch off your mic if you want to. Audio you can switch off and on, but please keep your cameras open. It's a kind of a proctoring. We want to see that you're appearing for the quiz honestly. Please comply with the instructions. Shuyash, Ashwin, Shubham, yes. Colonel, Paul, Colonel Saab, please switch on your camera. Ashwin, please. Suyash, yeah. All of you, please come online. अच्छे लग रहे हो. You are looking very smart, all of you. Yes. We want to see your face. ऑनलाइन रहिए, कैमरा ऑन करके रखिए टिल द इवेंट इज इन प्रोग्रेस. जब तक क्विज चलता रहे आप लोग ऑनलाइन दिखना चाहिए. दिस विल बी पुट अप ऑन द वेबसाइट आल्सो, सो you know, please don't switch off your cameras. Yeah, please keep it on till the event is in progress. जब तक क्विज खत्म नहीं होता कृपया अपने दूरदर्शन शुरू रखें. दूरध्वनि को आप बंद कर सकते हैं, आंसर देते टाइम उसको आरंभ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कृपया अपना दूरदर्शन शुरू रखें. दूरध्वनि को कम. प्लीज कम ऑनलाइन. प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरास. कम ऑन.
आई डोंट थिंक उनका बार शायद लिंक टूट जाएगा.
नहीं लिंक अभी सुबह सो के उठे हैं इसलिए थोड़ा. यस, यू आर लुकिंग गुड. कम ऑन, प्लीज कीप योर कैमरास ऑन.
ठीक है. प्रेजेंटेशन.
Please keep your cameras on. That is a requirement. सुयश, बार आप गए बाहर. Please you keep your cameras on continuously. जब आपको आंसर देना है तो कैमरा वो ऑडियो ऑन ऑफ करना सिर्फ, not the video. Video should be on throughout.
Okay, we can start the quiz. I think probably there are breakage in the link, and not all are able to continuously switch on the camera. At least their audio must be on. Okay,
Yes.
during answer. So I will move to the quiz. Okay, let me just see. We can start the quiz.
Is it visible?
Is this visible? Children's Day quiz.
The slide is visible. No, sir.
Huh? Is it visible or not?
Says
Not
your
visible.
screen is visible, sir.
Okay.
Your screen was
Yes.
visible.
Presentation. Children's Day celebration quiz. Can you see that
On your screens,
on your screen?
everybody.
No,
All
not
the
now,
team
sir.
members.
Okay. Let me screen. शायद यहाँ से हो जाएगा ना? Now,
Yes, sir.
Everybody.
everybody can see this Children's Day.
No, sir, it's not visible to me.
No, sir.
To whom? I mean, to your other team member, it is visible.
No, sir.
Yes, sir, it is visible. No, sir.
So all the team members. So we should proceed for the quizzing round. Say yes or no. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Everybody. Okay.
Can you see this screen?
No, sir.
Children's Day celebration quiz. Yes, sir. We can see.
Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Everybody can see that this screen.
No, sir.
Because some are able to see, but some are not able to see. I don't know how this can proceed.
Okay, we'll ask questions.
Okay, we will ask questions, and let us first take the rules. There are 5 teams. We have already distributed the 5 teams: Team A, Team B, Team C, Team D, and Team E. So Team A, the participants are Jayesh and Ashwin. Team B, Juhi, Chaube, Arya, Khandar. Team C, Kunal Paul, Raya Maurya. Team D, Suyash Gawande, Shubham Gaur, and Team E, Adiba Qureshi and Alfia. Okay. Then let us see what rounds will be in this quiz. Round 1 will be of general knowledge question. Round 2, question based on Hindi film dialogues. Round 3, question based on riddles. Round 4, question based on identification of personalities. And round 5, question based on general aptitude. So there will be 5 rounds, and in each round, each 5 teams will be asked one question. Okay. This is just the flow diagram of how the question will shift to the next team. For example, if question is asked to Team A, then Team A gets 1 minute to answer. And if Team A answer the question, then Team A will get 10 points. If it doesn't answer the question will go to Team B, and Team B will get 30 seconds to answer that question. And if Team B answers that question, then it gets 6 points. And if it doesn't answer, then the question goes to Team C. Team C again gets 30 seconds to answer. Team C gets 30 seconds to answer, and if they answer, then they get 3 points. If they don't answer, then it goes to Team D, where they also get 30 seconds, and if they answer, they get 3 points. And if not, then it goes to Team E. If Team E answer, then again they get 3 points. Okay. So these are the general rules to get the points. Okay. The first team to which the question is asked, if they answer, they will get 10 points. The next team will get 6 points, and rest of the team will get 3 points if they answer. Okay. So first team 10 points, second team gets 6 points on answer, and third team onwards same question. For same question, if it goes to the next team, if the next team, second team will get 6 answers, the third will get third, fourth, and fifth. If they answer, they will get 3 points. Okay. And each, the first team gets 1 minute to answer, and it will consist of the time for which the question is asked also. Okay. That time is also included. So it gets 1 minute to answer the question. The rest of the team will get 30 seconds to answer the same questions. Got it? Got the rule? So let us start with the quiz. So let us start with the quiz. The round
Yes,
one.
sir.
All the best to you. So round
Thank you
one.
so much, sir.
Team A.
The round one is on general knowledge, and the first question goes to Team A. So I want Team A to switch on their mics. Team A. Jayesh and Ashwin.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jayesh and Ashwin. So the first question is to you. When is the Universal Children's Day celebrated annually? You have 1 minute, 60 seconds to answer. When is the Universal Children's Day celebrated annually? On which day? Thirty seconds have passed. Forty-five seconds.
अश्विन बोल दे
No, sir.
सर सर 19 November.
No, wrong.
Sorry, he may.
Sir, team B can answer now, na?
Team B,
20th November.
20th November. Correct. Team B, so Team B gives the correct answer. It is 20th
Points goes to
November,
team B.
today. And in fact, Karmakar sir has just in the start has said about that. Okay. So we'll shift to the next question. That will be to Team B.
Are you ready, team B?
Are you ready, Team B?
Yes, sir.
All the
Yes,
best.
sir.
Team B, all the best. Sanjay Chopra Award and the Geeta Chopra Award are conferred to children for what purpose? Team B.
We have to talk about the human qualities. For what human qualities they have been given?
Thirty seconds.
Sir, bravery by children.
Yes,
Sir,
correct.
acts of bravery.
Yes, yes, correct. So Juhi Chaube and Arya has given correct answer. It is on bravery. These awards are given on bravery. Question number 3 to Team C. So Team C can switch on their mic.
Yes, sir.
Sonal Paul and Raya Maurya.
Are you ready?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you
Yes, sir.
ready? Okay. So third question is for Team C. Indian filmmaker Shyam Benegal created a popular TV serial shown named as Bharat Ek Khoj in 1988. The show is based on which book written by Jawaharlal Nehru?
Sir, it's the discovery of India.
Right, correct. It is The Discovery of India, written by Jawaharlal Nehru, on which this serial Bharat Ek Khoj was produced in 1988.
Yes, sir. Good, Raya.
Yeah. Fourth question to Team D. Team D, Suyash and Shubham Gaur, switch on the mic.
Yes, sir.
The fourth question is for you. Meera Nair award-winning film Salam Bombay led to the formation of a trust for street children to experience the joy of childhood. What is the name of that trust?
Sir, NGO.
Name of the trust.
NGO is a generic name. You want the name?
I think Salam Balak Trust.
Yes, Salam Balak Trust. Correct answer. So Team D wins 10 points. Salam Balak Trust. Then the fifth question to Team D. So round one, last question to Adiba Qureshi and Alfia. Please switch on your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. So the next question is for you. In which year did the right to education become a fundamental right for children between age of 6 and 14? You have to tell the year.
Sir, April 2010.
2002.
2002.
No, sir, April 2010.
No. Only
One answer.
2009.
2010.
No, just one answer. You say
April
the final
2010.
answer.
April 2010.
बताइए, एक आंसर बताइए बस.
Sir, 2009.
2009.
Yes, sir.
लॉक कर दें इसको.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, 1 मिनट होने का है अभी. 1 मिनट. Question goes to next team. Team A.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बताइए कौन से ईयर में मिला है राइट टू एजुकेशन, फंडामेंटल, एज अ फंडामेंटल राइट. Twenty seconds over.
So 2002.
2002. Final answer?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
You are right. It is year 2002 in which the right to education bill was introduced and passed by the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and it becomes a law. Then we have the final score after round one. Team A has got 6 points.
6.
Okay. Team A has got 6 points. Team B has got 16 points. Team C 10 points. Team D has got 10 points, and Team E
Is yet to open the account.
is yet to open the account. So after first round, Team B is winning with 16 points. Congratulations. So we move to the next round. Round 2 is based on Hindi film, dialogues in Hindi film. Okay, I think this will be easy for you.
This will be the same.
And the rules will be the same, but this time we will start with Team B. Okay, the first round started with Team A, second round will start with Team B, third round with Team C. So Team B, ready? Team B is Juhi Chaube and Arya Thandar. So the first question goes to Team B. Identify the actress standing. Identify the actress standing beside the Amitabh Bachchan. Team B.
वो एक्ट्रेस तो दिखी नहीं रही है.
पहले ही हो गया ना वो.
सर एक बार प्लीज दिखा दीजिए ना.
का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है, लेकिन
सर हेलन.
Yes, correct. Helen. She is Helen. Second question goes to Team C. Colonel Paul
Yes, sir.
Raya Maurya. So this question is for you. Identify the film.
So film Damini. Film Damini.
Okay, correct answer.
Thank you, sir.
That was fast. Right. It was film Damini from which this dialogue, this particular clip has been taken. Question 3. Question 3 is for Team D, Suyash and Shubham Gaur.
Yes, sir.
तुम्हारे उसूल, तुम्हारे आदर्श, आज मेरे पास बिल्डिंग है, प्रॉपर्टी है, बैंक बैलेंस है, बंगला है, गाड़ी, क्या तुम्हारे पास? मेरे पास माल।
The question is, who has played the character of Ma of these two actors? This is a famous film.
Yes, sir. Diwar.
Okay.
Who has played the character of Ma?
Sir, I think Nirupa Roy.
Yes, correct. Nirupa Roy.
Nirupa Roy.
Yes. Nirupa Roy.
Nice
So
film.
Team D gets 10 points. Next question. Question number 4 for Team E, Adiba Qureshi and Alfia.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
जिंदगी और मौत ऊपर वाले के हाथ है जहां पर आप ना तो आप बदल सकते हैं ना मैं हम सब तो रंगमंच की कठपुतलियां हैं जिनकी डोर ऊपर वाले की उंगलियों में बंधी है कब कौन कैसे उठेगा ये कोई नहीं बता सकता है
So Rajesh Khanna was suffering from what kind of disease in this film?
Cancer?
Yes, correct. That was very fast. So Team E gets 10 points.
Congratulations, Team D. You opened an account.
Question number 5 to Team A.
Yes, sir.
See, sir, I can talk English, I can walk English, I can laugh English because English is a very funny language.
What is the name of the actor who is wearing the maroon coat?
Sir, can play video again?
What do you play?
See, sir, I can talk English, I can walk English, I can laugh English because English is a very funny language.
Team A. Yes, you have got 10 seconds. 10 सेकंड और बचे हैं. Time over. Next team.
Sir, Ranjit?
Ranjit. Yes. Ranjit. Juhi Chaube. Isn't it? किसने आंसर दिया था? आर्या.
Team B.
आर्या. हाँ. Okay. Group team B ना? Team B. Yes, it is that man from wearing the maroon coat is Ranjit. So after round 2, the score is
Team B is leading with 32 points.
just a minute. Team B is leading with 32 points. Then Team C and D at 20 points each. Team E with 10 points and team A at 6 points. So that is the score at the end of round 2. Team B is leading. बाकी सभी को कवर करना है अच्छे से, क्योंकि डिफरेंस काफी ज्यादा हो गया है इस समय 32 और द नेक्स्ट रनर्स अप आर एट 20, so they are 12 points behind. Okay, so round 3 we have 5 rounds, 2 are over. Third round, the third round is based on riddles, so riddles will be asked and you have to answer. Okay, the first question in this round will go to team C. Question to team C. Identify the cartoon series from this picture. ये कार्टून सीरीज कौन सी है ये बताना है. टीम सी.
सर पोपाय.
यस करेक्ट. कैसे बताया है?
Sir, I am Christian. Sir, I am Christian. So just I was looking at the Pope and cross.
Right. मुझे भी लगा था, लेकिन मैं फादर सोच रहा था जब मैंने पहली बार देखा था, तो ये कैसे हो. That was series. Cartoon series is Popeye. The second question to team D, Suyash Gawande and Shubham Gaur.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये बताइए. Identify the fruit. बताओ. Thirty seconds. कौन सा फ्रूट है ये?
I'm sorry, you're exhausting your time. Team D. Oh no.
Pass.
Pass.
Okay.
Okay, team E.
Can you answer it, Team E?
Dollar apple.
कौन सा?
Apple. I'm sorry.
एप्पल नहीं है.
Dollar.
We can take it.
टीम ई 5 सेकंड और है. टीम ए. थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है, लेकिन ठीक है. टीम ए शायद ये ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो गया है.
सर आई थिंक सफरचंद.
नहीं.
सर नो नो.
बोलो 5 सेकंड. टाइम अप. टीम बी. टीम बी. नाम इंग्लिश में ही है. टीम बी 5 सेकेंड. आई थिंक टीम बी भी नहीं आंसर कर सकी. टीम सी.
Sir, can we see the image?
अभी मैं यहाँ से इमेज वापस नहीं ले जा सकता हूँ.
So, क्योंकि सर दूसरी टीम का था तो सर उतना इमेज दिख नहीं पाई ठीक से, फिर 4 टीम्स को आ गया तो.
लेकिन इसमें नहीं ले जा सकूंगा, क्योंकि इसमें मैंने सेव नहीं किया और टाइमर वापस हो जाएगा फिर। आई थिंक 1 मिनट काफी था उसको देखने के लिए। ओके, सो नो वन कुड आंसर, किसी भी टीम ने आंसर नहीं किया है इसको। तो
Sir, what was the answer? Custard
ये
apple.
जो है, हाँ यस, कस्टर्ड एप्पल, इट वाज कस्टर्ड। एक्चुअली ये जो था, ये जो डॉलर का साइन था, इट वाज द कॉस्ट टैग जो होता है ना, कॉस्ट रोड एप्पल, तो वो बन जाता है कस्टर्ड एप्पल। नॉट, इट वाज नॉट एन इजी जितना पहला वाला था पोपाय, पर ठीक है। टू टीम ई को ध्यान से देखो, क्योंकि ये बाद में फिर नहीं दिखाई देता है। क्वेश्चन ई, टीम ई को है अदीबा एंड अल्फिया। तो एक बार देख लो, बाकी टीमें भी देख लो, और आंसर आ गया हो तो लिख लेना, ठीक है। आइडेंटिफाई द वेजिटेबल। आइडेंटिफाई द वेजिटेबल। हाँ, बताओ। तीस सेकेंड हो गए हैं।
पोटैटो।
Yes, correct. This is pot, at, and toe, potato. So this was given by team
E.
C, नहीं, E. टीम E ने आंसर दिया था ना? Yes, potato. This question number 4 is for team A. Team A, Jayesh and Ashwin.
Yes, sir.
Identify the phone brand. आसान है, फोन के ब्रांड्स इतने ज्यादा नहीं है। नहीं नहीं नहीं, टीम ए का टाइम है। 1 मिनट यार, ये टाइम क्यों नहीं निकला? टीम बी,
नोकिया।
नोकिया, करेक्ट। नोकिया, नो, वो साइन जो है वो नो का साइन है, एंड की और ए, नोकिया। सो टीम बी गेट्स 6 पॉइंट्स। हाँ, the answer is Nokia. 1 मिनट। राउंड 3 टीम बी। टीम बी, टीम ए को गया था ना ये। हाँ, लास्ट क्वेश्चन वाज फॉर टीम ए। नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज फॉर टीम बी। सो यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द हिंदी फिल्म सॉन्ग।
गाता रहे मेरा दिल।
राइट, परफेक्ट, बहुत जल्दी पता लगा लिया। करेक्ट। तो टीम बी is getting 10 points for this answer, right? Yes, गाता रहे मेरा दिल। तो scores after third round, team A is lagging very behind. They have only scored 6 points. Okay. And team B at 48 points. They are leading 48 points. Team C is at 30 points. Team D and Team E are at tie at 20 points. So team B is leading, team C is at 30, team D and E at 20 each. So team B has taken a lead. Now the round 4, this is round 4. The round 4 questions are based on famous personality. तो आपको एक चेहरा दिखाया जाएगा और उस चेहरे से पता लगाना है कि ये इनका नाम बताना है, ये कौन है. And I think questions are not that difficult. So all must be able to answer this. तो पहला क्वेश्चन जो है that will be for team D. अब ये 4th राउंड है तो टीम डी के लिए क्वेश्चन है और तुमको एक चेहरा दिखाया जाएगा और तुमको बताना है कि वो कौन है. बताइए ये. आइडेंटिफाई द पर्सन who revolutionized the process of election in India. Very common name. और अपने समय काफी फेमस थे ये. सारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इनसे डरती थी. बताओ. टीम डी. यश.
Half of the time is over.
Is it TN Session?
Correct. TN Session, a very famous person of his time. ये जब 90s में 90s की बात है, लेट 90s. आज जैसे इलेक्शन होते हैं पीसफुल, वैसे कभी इलेक्शन हुआ नहीं करते थे. मैं जानता हूँ उस समय जैसे हम क्वार्टर्स, गवर्नमेंट क्वार्टर्स में रहते थे, तो जिस समय इलेक्शन होता था पूरे जो क्वार्टर्स नए नए जिनका पूरा व्हाइट वॉश किया होता था उस पे सब पार्टीज के नाम अगले दिन लिख जाते थे, पूरा गंदा कर देते थे. सारी वॉल्स, सभी वॉल्स जो है गंदी रहती थी. और आज मतलब आज कहीं भी तुमको ऐसा नहीं दिखेगा. पोस्टर जरूर दिखेंगे लेकिन कोई भी वॉल गंदी नहीं. तो दुनिया भर की कोई भी वॉल तुमको बिना पार्टी के नाम की नहीं दिखती थी. इतना जो इलेक्शन था और बहुत सारी चीजें थी, रिगिंग ऑफ इलेक्शन, ये सब हुआ करते थे. लेकिन आजकल काफी शांत है. बिल्कुल आजकल ऐसी कोई वारदातें सुनने को नहीं मिलती है. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पर्सन कि हमारे इलेक्शन जो है इतने शांत हो गए हैं. ओके, तो TN Session is the answer. So round 4, question number 2 to team E. टीम E के लिए ये क्वेश्चन है और तुमको ये आदमी पहचानना है ये कौन है. He is the famous Indian mathematician.
रामानुजन.
Yes. पूरा नाम बता सकते हो?
पूरा पता है तो 10 points.
वैसे तुम करेक्ट हो. कौन? क्या पूरा नाम?
श्रीनिवासा रामानुजन.
यस, श्रीनिवासा रामानुजन.
श्रीनिवासा रामानुजन.
हाँ, श्रीनिवासा रामानुजन, अ वेरी फेमस मैथमेटिशियन. इनको कहते हैं कि इनको कोई चीज का प्रूफ नहीं करते थे, फाइनल जो इक्वेशंस है वो बता दिया करते थे. और वो इक्वेशन आज भी डिकोड करना संभव नहीं हुआ है. कई उनकी इक्वेशंस ऐसी है जो आज भी संभव नहीं हुआ है. इनफैक्ट इनके कभी वीडियो यूट्यूब में देखना और तुम सोच भी नहीं सकते कि उसके आंसर ऐसे हो सकते हैं. एक जैसे मैं क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, जैसे 1 + 2 + 3 ऐसे करते जाओ इनफाइनाइट. व्हाट इज द आंसर? व्हाट विल बी द आंसर दैट यू एक्सपेक्ट? 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 infinite series.
-1/12.
Yes, he gave that answer. और वो कई जगह यूज होता है. इनफैक्ट तुम सोचोगे कि सारे पॉजिटिव नंबर ऐड करके क्या मिलेगा? कोई इनफाइनाइट पॉजिटिव नंबर मिलेगा, isn't it? But he said that it is not that number but -1/12. एक पहले तो तुम कोई भी जो है वो 1 के नीचे का नंबर ऐड नहीं कर रहे हो और सब पॉजिटिव नंबर है, लेकिन उसका आंसर -1/12 है. तो ऐसे रिजल्ट दिए हैं। और ये जो रिजल्ट है वो सुपर स्ट्रिंग थ्योरी, कभी सुनी होगी तुमने शायद, सुपर स्ट्रिंग थ्योरी, मैथमेटिक्स के जो लोग हैं उनको पता होगा। सुपर स्ट्रिंग थ्योरी में ये इक्वेशंस यूज होती हैं, रियल में ये यूज होती हैं। ऐसे बहुत सारे इक्वेशंस है जो इन्होंने दी है, इसके प्रूफ बाद में लोगों ने निकाले हैं, लेकिन जब उन्होंने इक्वेशन दिए थे तो ये इक्वेशन किसी को नहीं मालूम थी, और मतलब कोई सोच भी नहीं सकते थे कि ऐसे रिजल्ट मिलेंगे उसके। ओके, श्रीनिवासा रामानुजन। राउंड 4, थर्ड क्वेश्चन टू टीम ए। टीम ए, जयेश, अश्विन, आप काफी पीछे रह गए हैं, तो देखो ये इसका आंसर जरूर देना चाहिए तुमको। ये बहुत कॉमन है, आइडेंटिफाई द फेमस इंडियन ओरिजिन बिजनेसमैन। टीम ए, जयेश, ये बहुत फेमस है। टीम ए देख सकते हो। बीस सेकंड और बाकी हैं। टीम ए, टाइम अप। टीम ए नहीं बता सकी। टीम बी,
सर लक्ष्मी मित्तल।
यस, करेक्ट, लक्ष्मी मित्तल, द फेमस स्टील बैरन
ऑफ इंडिया।
इंडिया का तो नहीं है, ही इज फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, समवेयर फ्रॉम यूरोप, बट ही इज इंडियन ओरिजिन।
स्टार्टेड हिज फर्स्ट कंपनी फ्रॉम इंडोनेशिया, और हिंदी के वन ऑफ द टॉप मोस्ट पिक्चर इसका घर दिखाया गया था।
आर्सलर मित्तल उस कंपनी का नाम है, आर्सल। सो टीम बी स्कोर्स 6 marks फॉर दिस। लक्ष्मी मित्तल was the answer, करेक्ट आंसर। और बहुत फेमस बिजनेसमैन है, उनके चेहरे तो कहीं भी दिखाई देते थे।
अच्छा, शर्मा सर,
किसी का मोबाइल या ऑफ ऑन मत करिए। किसी का मोबाइल ऑन है, मोबाइल ऑफ कर दीजिए। दो कंप्यूटर और
हमारा
मोबाइल,
यूटी स्टार्ट हो गया है तो हम लोग जाए क्या?
हाँ, कंप्यूटर और मोबाइल दोनों ऑन है शायद किसी के। हाँ
एक्सक्यूज मी
Yes.
सर।
शर्मा सर,
हाँ,
जस्ट
सर हमारा यूनिट टेस्ट स्टार्ट हो गया है केमिस्ट्री का, तो हम जाए।
बस ये 4th राउंड 5th राउंड हो जाता है।
प्लीज थोड़ा जल्दी, एक्चुअली हमारा टेस्ट
हाँ।
स्टार्ट हो गया है।
राइट। क्वेश्चन 4, किसी का मोबाइल ऑन है शायद, वो ऑफ कर दीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 टू टीम बी। Identify the famous Indian origin scientist who won the Nobel Award in the field of biochemistry. Team B. हाँ, मेडिसिन। बायोकेमिस्ट्री में नोबेल अवार्ड नहीं मिलता, मेडिसिन में है। टीम बी,
सर हरगोविंद खुराना।
करेक्ट, हरगोविंद खुराना। हरगोविंद खुराना इज द राइट आंसर। डॉक्टर हरगोविंद खुराना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 टू टीम सी। टीम सी के लिए है, टीम सी के लिए है, आइडेंटिफाई द इंडियन ओरिजिन पर्सन हु इज द इन्वेंटर ऑफ ईमेल। आज जो हम ईमेल यूज करते हैं उनके पीछे इनका हाथ है, एंड ही इज द इंडियन ओरिजिन।
Sir, it's Ayurveda.
Hmm?
Ayurveda.
Sir, Shiva Addurai. Sir, Shiva
हाँ
Addurai.
करेक्ट. कौन है ये? कौन? टीम सी बोल रहे
हाँ,
हैं.
Sir
ओके,
Connell. हाँ, Team C. Shiva Addurai.
राइट. करेक्ट आंसर.
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट. शिवा अय्यादुराई. So at the end of round 4, the scores are, just a minute. Just a minute. The scores are, Team B is again leading at 64 points. And Team C at 40 points. Team D again tie 30 at 30 point, and Team A is lagging very behind. In fact, उन्होंने एक क्वेश्चन के अलावा कोई आंसर नहीं दिया है. तो they are
Hard luck for you.
yes, hard luck for you. अब एक लास्ट राउंड है, एटलीस्ट उसमें उनको आंसर देना चाहिए. और ये
Sharma,
राउंड भी, हाँ
just before we start with the last round, I
हाँ,
think the principal sir, Dr. K.T. Thomas, is here in the meet.
okay,
So let us welcome him.
right.
As we know that principals are always busy with certain work, so he was working that time, but now he has been kind enough to join us. So I, as HOD chemistry of this college, St. Francis de Sales College, as we know that our college is one of the prominent colleges in central India, which is catering to so many students' welfare and their growth. And I think I'm audible to you all,
Yes.
and you could hear whatever I was saying till now. Yes, so Dr. K.T. Thomas, the principal of our college, St. Francis de Sales, Nagpur, is here with us. So let us extend a warm welcome to him for his kind presence for the function. And since we know that they keep busy with uh, work other than, there are so many works which are after them. So he has been kind enough to come here. So I, as HOD Chemistry and coordinator of this Children's Day celebration, I welcome Dr. K.T. Thomas here. I would request Principal Sir to please speak few words on this occasion, and then we can go for round 5.
Yeah. Thanks, Karmagar ji, for welcoming me, and also I congratulate the entire team, the students and staff, who worked hard for conducting this online quiz competition. So I not joined earlier because of due to some work, but I also appreciate the work done by Sarmaji also. That the questions are very good questions collected and done in a proper way. And this quiz we just started on the eve of this Children's Day, because the children are very precious, and for being an academic institute, we always focus on students empowerment, because students are the future of our nations. So we always focus on the betterment of the students, and that is why our staff involve various activities during the lockdown also. They are always in connected with you, and these classes also we can see that many institute not conducted online classes, but still we conducted online classes. Along with online classes, we also have various activities. So recently we concluded students development program. So now this is Children's Day. We have again competitions coming on this Constitution Day, that is on 26th November. Then again there will be competitions on 10th December, that is Human Rights Day. So I request all the students to involve all activities and also use your this online platform for improvement of yourself. And I wish you all the success for this program. And children's, you enjoy your Children's Day. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Over to the quiz now.
Just a minute. Let me share this presentation again. So we'll move to the last round. Second question चलेगी, एक मिनट. I think this is visible to you.
TV is visible to you?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes,
All the
Yes,
best.
sir.
We are now entering the final rounds.
This is the final round, round 5, and the first question is for team E. Team E के लिए ये 5th question है, और ये round जो था that is based on general aptitude. General aptitude. थोड़ा पेपर पेंसिल की शायद जरूरत पड़े तुम लोगों को.
So please get ready with paper pencils.
तो साथ में रखिए. जनरल एप्टीट्यूड है, थोड़ा सा मैथमेटिक्स, थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन हो सकता है, छोटा सा कैलकुलेशन. तो we start with the team E. First question to team E. If this, just solve this. 10 is equal to this symbol, 20 is equal to 8, then these two symbols are equal to how much?
$60.
Wrong answer.
Just to the pass on.
You have got 1 minute. I think 40 seconds to answer. Yeah.
3030.
Right. 3030 is the correct answer. It is 88. जैसे 88 करेंगे 2020 और ऊपर में 22 है, जैसे वो 1010. If you add those two, that gives you 3030 answer. 3030 is the correct answer. So team E gets 10 points. Question to team A. टीम ए के लिए क्वेश्चन है, सेकंड क्वेश्चन. लास्ट राउंड. If A plus B is equal to 60 and A minus B is equal to 40, then A into B, what is it? ये बैंक एग्जाम के टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हैं और 12th लेवल के नीचे, 10th लेवल के आसपास.
500.
500 is the correct answer. 500. A और B कितना निकाला है?
A is equal to 50 and B is equal to 10.
Yes, correct. So the answer is 500. Correct answer. Team A.
Team A.
Okay, Team A gets 10 points. Congratulations. Third question to Team B. Find out the number for the question mark.
Missing question.
It's an easy one. Team B.
1.
1. Yes, correct answer. क्या मेथड निकाला है?
Sir, 2 2s are 4 and 5 5s are 25, then 8 8s are 64.
तो ऑपोजिट में जो है वो स्क्वायर नंबर्स हैं.
Yeah.
स्क्वायर, जैसे 2 का स्क्वायर 4, 4 का स्क्वायर 4 है नहीं, 5, 5 का स्क्वायर है 25, तो 1 का स्क्वायर जो रहेगा वो 1 ही रहेगा। तो जो क्वेश्चन मार्क है दैट इज 1, करेक्ट। तो टीम बी गेट्स 10 पॉइंट्स। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन फॉर टीम सी। टीम सी, कर्नल पॉल राया मौर्य।
Yes, sir.
Find the next number 6, 13, 25, 51, 101. Next number. 1 मिनट है तुम्हारे पास। A bit difficult, it seems. चालीस सेकंड हो गए हैं।
So it's 201.
201. I don't think
Yes.
201 नहीं है।
101
ये भी
plus
10
1.
सेकंड, 10 सेकंड है।
202. Sir, it's 203.
फाइनल?
Yes, 203.
करेक्ट आंसर 203। कैसे निकाला?
सर इट्स 16 plus 16 12 और उसमें +1 किया, नेक्स्ट नंबर के साथ 13 plus 13 इट्स 26, फिर -1 किया, देन
हाँ।
अगेन सेम विथ 51 plus 1 किया, देन एडिशन ऑफ 101 माइनस +1 किया।
हाँ, 51 into 2 किया तो 102 आता है और उसको -1, मतलब
ऑल्टरनेटिव में इट वाज एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन।
एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन। सो नेक्स्ट नंबर जो रहेगा वो सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा, ऐड होगा, ऐड होगा। तो नेक्स्ट नंबर डबल होके 1 ऐड होगा। तो 101 का डबल हुआ 202 और उसमें 1 ऐड होगा तो 203। 203 is the correct answer. 10 points to team C. And this is the last question, round 5, last question for team D.
All the best.
Team D, all the best. Suyash and Shubham. This question is for you. Round 5. What is the answer? 11 into 11, 4. 22 into 24, 22, 16. 33 into 33.
सर 256।
नहीं, दो सेकेंड।
Sorry.
12।
नो, टीम बी नहीं, टीम ए, सॉरी टीम ई। टीम ई
36.
36 is the correct answer. Team E gets 6 points. ये कैसे आया 36?
1 plus 1 2, then into 1 plus 1 2, 2 2s are 4, then 2 plus 2 4, then 2 plus 2 4, 4 4s are 16, then 3 3s are 36, next 6 is 36 and 6 is 36. The answer is 36.
करेक्ट आंसर। तुम्हारा सोचना बिल्कुल सही रहा और ये इसका आंसर जो है वो दैट इज 36। So with this we come to the end of the quiz and the final scores. सभी लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा किया है। फाइनल स्कोर जो है तो विनर नहीं, पहले लास्ट से शुरुआत करते हैं। टीम ए गेट 16 पॉइंट्स, देन नेक्स्ट इज टीम डी विच गेट 30 points. Then team E gets 46 points. And second जो I have वो है team C with 50 points. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Scored 50 points, and the winner is team B. Team B में है Juhi Chaube
and Arya.
Arya Khandar. So team B scores 74 points. Congratulations, you won the quiz. बहुत
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
तुम लोगों को. So with this we come to the end of the quiz. I think Sakharkar sir wants to speak something to you.
A very good afternoon to everybody. My congratulations to all the team members and to all the viewers, student viewers who are viewing this program. And I congratulate you from our team spirit, team members basically, Amar sir, my sir, Sharma sir, Sonika ma'am, Pratyunjay Karmakar, all the team teachers basically who has been involved in making this program a memorable event, a creative event, and to awaken a childlike soul, heart, and a mind in you, which you should keep intact till you are living in this planet Earth, because that is what education means basically. And quizzing is one of the fundamental rounds in education process because it makes you alert, aware, and have a very quick firing round, accurate firing round. With this, I'm signing off.
Thank you, sir.
Over to you, Karmakar sir.
So thank you very much, sir. And thank you, Dr. Pramod Sakharkar, sir. He is a man of physics, and Dr. Sharma, who has been kind enough to conduct this program. Also, I'm thankful to Principal, sir, who has been here for our program. And the best participants, the last but not the least, they say. But neither you're the last nor you're the least, because you are the prime concern, prime focus of any education is the student. Once the students are happy, we are happy. So I'm very happy for today that you have taken your time and participated on this occasion of quiz, and you have taken your grey cells to work. I'm really thankful to you, and I salute you from the bottom of my heart. And please keep this endeavor of, knowledge gaining always on, always, and let us make India a superpower in intelligence. So my dear friends, countrymen, and my fellow beings, thank you for being here. I'll request Mrs. Sonika Hilson, the joint coordinator of this program, to please propose a vote of thanks to all our participants. Mrs. Sonika Hilson, please. Oh, it seems she is not here. So I'll request Miss Esmeralda D'Souza to please propose a vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to all present here. I'm very glad that we could celebrate this Children's Day, and I thank the students for participating so wholeheartedly. And I thank Karmakar sir for organizing this event, and I thank the principal for allowing us to take up this challenge and make the students aware that we are there for them even during this time of the COVID. Thank you.